Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am in West London. It is such a gorgeous day, I'm really excited. I'm going to be going into IRYS Cosmetics. This is a Polish pharmacy. It's got some really hot brands in there. I mentioned some of them in my last post. I'm really, really excited. So I'm going to head on in there just now. Okay, so I've got these two lovely bags. One of the bags, can you believe they gave it for free, which I'm really, really excited about. I can't wait to review the products. The service in here is second to none. There's a lady called Kasia in there who is particularly fantastic. Thank you so, so much. Do not be put off if you can't read in Polish, because these ladies are going to look after you, I promise you. Absolutely brilliant. I can't wait. Thank you. It's such a lovely shop, I can't tell you. They've got loads of organic brands, loads of skincare, nutritional supplements, and the staff are absolutely fantastic. Really, really knowledgeable. A lot of the products, there's no translation in English, but the girls are so helpful. So I really suggest you take a trip down there. And I'm going to talk you through some products. I've got Bielenda, I've got Shiah, and there's another one called Go. I just want to take you through some of the products that I found. They're all super duper affordable. I'm going to start off with Ziaja, I think that's the name. Now, Ziaja's been going for many, many years. It's very, very popular in Poland. It's used in salons and spas as well. So I'm going to start with Shiah. These have been going for generations. It's a day and a night cream. The number one is the day cream. Number two is the night cream. These are fabulous products. Very, very hydrating, but light enough to use under makeup. And the number two is the evening moisturiser, which is very rich, very anti-aging, fantastic for dry, mature skin. I've been using that and I've been really, really happy. It leaves my skin feeling lovely and supple. Shiah also has a fabulous website. I can't believe the number of products they've got. It is huge, really huge brand. The next product I want to mention to you is the Shiah Daytime Moisturiser with an SPF of 50. Fantastic. Now, I did think, and I was a little bit worried this was going to leave a sort of a whitish film on my face. It didn't at all. I was very happy. It comes out a sort of yellowy colour, but you can see it works really nicely into the skin. It smells gorgeous. All their products smell gorgeous. So look, you can see there's not a trace of white there, and that would really show up on my sort of skin tone, which I'm really, really happy with. Next, I'm going to move on to their body products. You know what I really like about them is that they're unisex. I mean, look at this. This has been going for years, but the packaging is really sort of modern. I mean, it's really there, isn't it? Very pleasant smell again. It's just a nice body lotion. Comes in a handy pump and sort of sinks into the skin really nicely. It leaves a nice sort of healthy sheen, as you can see, look, but without any sort of greasiness, which is lovely. And they've got the matching shower gel. They've got quite a big range of bath products. So I'm sure you'll find something which is suitable for you. And as I said, it's unisex because the packaging and the smell. If you have super duper dry skin, they've got a lovely range of body butters. Again, you know, the argan oil, the grape seed oil, goat's milk, everything. And this is what I got. It's really lovely. It's a lovely, lovely thick cream, not greasy. There you go. Been using that this week. I'm running out of space. I'm going to put it on this arm this time. It's just that much richer than the lotion. Lovely, you know, for dry elbows, hands and feet. Lovely. Gorgeous. Love it. Next, I'm going to talk about this. You know, it's that time of year. This is an award-winning foot cream. Lovely, really nice and thick. I'm not going to get my feet out for you, but you can see. My son was having fun with this last night. I guess I should just put it on the back of my hand. It's just that much more rich, really nice for your feet. And as I said, for this time of year, it's perfect. Your feet are on show, summertime, your sandals. Again, very pleasant. And then I picked up a couple of hand creams there. Again, there's just so many, and they're only a couple of pounds each. So I thought, you know, why not? This is a particularly intense moisturiser for your hands. It's got grape extract or grape seed. I'm not sure. There is a translation there, but I can't read it without my glasses, I'm afraid. Again, lovely. does smell fruity. Again, very light, but moisturising, you know, really, really nice. And this lovely avocado hand cream. This reminds me of the hand cream that I use in the nail spa that I occasionally go to. I had a pedicure last week, so it reminded me of this. It's lighter in texture to the grapeseed one, you can see. But, you know, non-greasy, but hydrating at the same time. Lovely. Next, I'm going to talk about a very exciting brand, which I've never heard of, and I was introduced to it while I was in IRYS by Kasha, thank you. It's an organic brand. It is not tested on animals, it's cruelty-free completely, it is vegan, it's fantastic for sensitive skins. This is a really super duper cleansing oil. It's so light and it takes off all your traces of makeup. Literally, you just get, oops, a little pump and just massage it into your skin. It's got the most divine smell, and all the smell in it is all natural. It's cranberries, it smells fruity. You can use it as part of a double cleanse if you like. For me personally, you know, I don't wear huge amounts of makeup. I just, you know, found that was enough. With a hot flannel, I pressed it on my face and took all my makeup off, and it came away beautifully. It was divine, honestly. That's the only way to describe it. Next, I'm going to talk about the Go Argan Oil. This is an award-winning oil. This is Argan Oil. I love the fact that it's in a pump. I do have a couple of other facial oils. You know, they've got the pipette things. I like the fact that it's in a pump. It's so much more easy to use. The other ones have leaked a couple of times. It's gorgeous. Honestly, you've got to try this. And Argan Oil, in case you're not aware, is fantastic for cell renewal. It's got vitamins A, C and E in it. It's, you know, sort of one of those all-purpose products. You can use it whenever your skin's feeling a little bit sensitive, or, you know, you can use it in the day, mixed with your moisturiser, or under your moisturiser, you mix with your foundation, use it at night under your moisturiser for a little bit of extra hydration. It's fantastic if your skin's sensitive. One of those sort of multi-purpose, you know, must-have products if you like. Next, I've got a lovely moisturiser here with an SPF of 10, so it's a daytime moisturiser. Again, it's got the cranberry extract, which is great for sensitive skin. It's got shea butter, vitamin E. It's very, very hydrating. The only thing I would say, there you go, it does leave a slight whitish film. So you can wear it on its own. I was a little bit disappointed when I saw that initially. However, once it had sunk in, I did experiment with it and put my foundation on, and it didn't show. It didn't show at all. But if you do wear it on its own, it does leave a very, very slight sort of whitish sheen, if you can see, which, like, if you're light skin, it's not really going to be an issue. It's not going to show up. But on my darker skin, I was a little bit sort of disappointed when I saw that initially. But having said that, when I put my foundation on, there was no trace of it at all. So maybe, I don't know, maybe it just needs a little bit longer to sink in, or maybe my foundation managed to cover it up. I don't know. But it's really, really moisturising. It's very hydrating. And if you have a dry skin, perfect. Okay, finally, I'm going to talk about Bielenda. While I was down there, they've got different sort of ranges. They've got a rose range, a green tea range, a coconut range. There's probably something else as well, I don't know. And they've got this lovely rose cleanser, which I really, really liked. Again, this is different from the cleanser that I showed you earlier. The one I showed you earlier does not emulsify with water. This one emulsifies with water. So you can see there's an oil there. I massage that on, dissolves on my makeup, and then you add water and you can see it's emulsifying. Okay, that really removes your makeup nicely. And then you can either wash it off or just take a hot towel and remove it. It leaves your skin baby soft. Honestly, it's lovely. And again, it's got that lovely sort of rose fragrance to it, which I really like, which is not overpowering. It's very gentle, but very lovely. Next, you've got to see this to believe it. They have got the hugest selection of masks I have ever seen. I don't know about you, I don't use masks that frequently because you have to get a whole tube or you have to buy a whole box of them. I don't know if they're famous for their masks, or I don't know. I mean, there's just loads. I picked up these regenerating mask, a gold detox regenerating, which sounds really exciting. An aloe and coconut one, which I'm very, very excited about. Next, we have got the blue detox. I mean, honestly, this one really, really caught my attention. It's 3D and it's got this sort of animal print on the front. I don't know if it's a gimmicky thing or if it's actually a hydrating mask. I have no idea. So you're going to have to watch out for my Instagram posts and check in on that. So just to summarize, I think my favorite product, you know, one of them has got to be this lovely evening moisturizer number 2. And for under a £5, it's just fantastic value for money. I'm really happy with that. And then of course there's the moisturiser with the SPF of 50. Where are you going to find a high performance moisturiser with an SPF of 50 at sort of £5 or £6, which is fantastic as a makeup base as well? I mean, that is really, I think, my favourite product out of the Shiah range. And then there's the Go Argan Oil, again, brilliant product. I love the fact that it's got the pump dispenser. It's just great, you know, one of those sort of products that you would reach to when your skin's feeling a little bit sort of neglected and you need a little bit of TLC, feeling a little bit sensitive. I love that, and I really just love this cleanser. It's to die for. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of my video. I just wanted to say a huge thank you. I have reached 1,000 subscribers. I'm so chuffed about that. Thank you to all of you that have subscribed. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe. That really helps me. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye.